Hi everyone, this is Tina with Dirt Therapy, and today I am going to replace this dead Tiger Eye Sumac with this beautiful little tree. It's a topiary tree, and I'm so excited. Felt like I did need to have a little bit of height here, considering I have the roses, and there's not really a lot going on in this corner otherwise. So I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to add a new piece of interest in the garden. So I'm going to plant this eugenia. Now, just keep in mind that this is not one that is in our zone. So it can only get down to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So this would be one that we would have to bring in the wintertime. And I don't have a problem overwintering it in our garden. That is the reason why I'm going to put it in a pot. That way I don't have to worry about digging it up out of the ground. I'm just going to put it in a pot and it'll make it a lot easier. As you can see, the root system on the Tiger Eye Sumac did not do much at all. I expected to see this. It's been in this pot for a couple years, and I expected to see it root in a lot more than it has, and it really hasn't. So that explains why it didn't make it. And it's okay because I can't plant these in the ground because they're too invasive. I had one over on the east side of our house for a few years, and it ended up taking its roots and growing kind of towards the top, maybe a couple inches on top of the soil, and it sent runners with new Tiger Eye Sumacs along the line, and it was supposed to be a less invasive one. So I learned my lesson. This cannot be planted in our ground, but it's beautiful. It has the most beautiful lime chartreuse colored leaves, and it's just so beautiful. I just cannot chance having it in my garden in the ground. So here is it all finished, and I think it looks really pretty with the little vincas under there. And I'm sorry about my shadow. It is super hot out here and I'm already melting, and there's just not a really good angle to show you without there being a glare. So my apologies, but I got it done. I am so happy I got this project done today. It's surrounded by annuals, so this whole pot will eventually be emptied from the vincas in here and Eugenia. Eventually all of the annuals will be removed from here, and I will overwinter the Eugenia in the house. But for now, it looks beautiful. Thank you everybody for joining, and we will see you next time. Bye.